My name is Lieutenant Saboti, call sign JWOW. I'm an E-18G Growler pilot, VAQ-140, stationed in Whidbey Island, Washington. To identify an E-18G Growler, it shares a airframe with the A-18 Foxtrot Super Hornet. To distinguish between the two, you'll look at the wingtips and you'll see a larger diameter pod on the end of the wingtips. It's an ALQ-218 receiver pod. Our job is to deny the enemy the use of the electromagnetic spectrum. That boils down to is pretty much taking away the enemy's ability to target friendly forces. We do that kinetically with anti-radiation missiles to destroy enemy radar systems, and non-kinetically with ALQ-99 jamming pods, basically rendering the enemy's radars useless. So here at Tyndall, during Checkered Flag, we're able to participate with 5th gen aircraft, the F-35 and the F-22 Raptor. Being able to do this allows us to prepare for what we call the high-end threat and simulate an advanced adversary and practice our tactics against them.